Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making white cheddar bacon pasta. Now this is a fun spin on a classic macaroni and cheese. We're going to be using white cheddar instead of regular. We're going to have bacon through it. Who doesn't love bacon? It makes a great side dish. It's simple to make. It's really delicious. It can even be in a meal in itself. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need 5 strips of bacon, 1 pound of pasta, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 cups of milk, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of shredded white cheddar cheese, a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of fresh rosemary. First we're gonna do is get the pasta on, and while that's boiling, we're gonna work on the sauce. Our pasta is boiling, now we're gonna start making our sauce. We're gonna get our bacon into our pan, we're gonna get this crisped up and rendered out. Our bacon is nice. It's right where we want it. We're gonna take this out of the pan and set it aside, and we're gonna work on the roux. And once your pasta is al dente, you're gonna wanna strain that and set it aside. Now we're gonna go in with our flour into our grease. We're gonna wanna cook this for about a minute just to get that raw flour taste out. Now be very careful. We're gonna go in with our softened cream cheese. And we're just gonna whisk this until it starts to melt. Once the cream cheese starts to soften up a little bit more, we're going to go in with our milk. Be very careful, it's hot. We're just going to whisk this together and bring it back up to temp. We just want the cream cheese nice and melted. It's starting to thicken up nicely. That's from the flour and the cream cheese. Now we're going to go in with our rosemary and pepper, our salt and garlic powder. Now we're going to start melting in our sharp white cheddar cheese. You just want to add a little bit of cheese at a time. You don't want to add any more until you are sure that the rest has completely melted. Let's take a little bit of time. And with our pasta, we're going to toss this, get it to coat. Then we're gonna head back to the cutting board and get a taste. All right, let's plate this up. Get a nice big scoop of it. We're gonna go dead center of the plate. Let's go 2 scoops. Perfect. Get a little bit more bacon on top. Looks nice. Now let's step out and get a taste. Get a bite. Get some of that bacon. That's so good. The pasta is perfectly cooked. You get the smokiness and the saltiness from the bacon, which pairs well with the cheddar cheese. It's a match made in heaven. This makes a great side dish or just a meal in itself. If you like what we're doing here, you can also check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. If you wish to support the channel, check us out on Patreon. It's HomeHeadChef as well. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.